Hey guys, welcome back to another quick inform video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a new phone that has came out to Boost Mobile now. So let's go ahead and check it out. Of course, it's going to be another budget phone, and it's by Motorola. So you might be asking, what phones are out? That just came out. Of course, the title probably already spoiled it, but let's get into it, guys. So right now, if you go through boostmobile.com, and then we go to phones, you'll see it here. I just saw this today, so I don't know if this released yesterday or today. Like I said, this first time I see it. So here we go, phones, and then check it out. Of course, we know these are out, but look at that, the E6, guys. So the Motorola E6 is now available on boostmobile.com, and as well in store. So it's very, very cool. So just looking at the price tag, you can tell this is going to be a very budget phone, guys. Retail price on this is right under $110. It's $109.99. So you can save $30 and get it for $80 currently. So like I said, definitely on the more budget side of it. But this is how the phone looks right here. Like I said, this is the Moto E6. So everybody knows the Moto E5. Now this is Moto E6. So let's just kind of do a little, let's get into it and, check it out and all that good stuff. So here is the front-facing camera. It looks like on the top left. And then your earpiece right there to say April 3rd, Tuesday, so pretty cool, 73 degrees. Of course, Motorola. On the bottom, on the right side of the phone, it does look like there's a textured power button, so very nice. Oop, got something in my eye, sorry. As well as volume up and volume down, or the volume rockers on the side, right there, so pretty cool. Let's go ahead and check it on the side of it. So you can tell here that looks like it's the camera, and it is a little lifted up. So yeah, now let's go to the next picture. This is the side of it. Of course, you can see a better picture of, I said, the volume rockers right here, the volume up and volume down, and then the volume and the power button right there. So on the left side, nothing's very smoothed out, so that's pretty cool. Looks like a nice Motorola logo. And then finally, let's take a look in the back. This is where we're going to see a big difference here. Hopefully this video recorder can capture it, but it looks like it's textured in the back. So, and this is a weird looking camera. So this is a rear camera, guys, a big bulgy kind of camera lens. It reminds me of like an iPhone 8, This is the way it kind of pops out. Maybe even an iPhone 7 camera, so even an iPhone 7 or an iPhone 8 camera, just the way it looks. So that's pretty cool. I don't know if they're trying to go with, for that look, but to me, it seems like they are. And then, of course, there you go. You have a flash. Then the big Motorola button. I'm not sure if that's the fingerprint sensor, but most of the time, that is the fingerprint sensor. But usually, Boost Mobile doesn't add them on their phones, or at least the variety that they get, But like I said, the unlocked version might have it, so that's just weird things that Boost Mobile has. But let's get into it, guys. Like I said, it's currently $30 also. You can get it for $80. Let's read its little bio real quick. So it says the entertainment you crave doesn't have to blow your budget, of course. Meet the new Motorola Moto E6. See more and scroll less on a 5.5-inch Max Vision HD Plus display. So right there, it's letting us it's a 5.5-inch screen. It's HD, so I'm guessing it's going to be at least 720. Designed for a one-handed use, always on the move, go all day, and then some on a single charge. Enjoy lag-free performance while playing games and watching videos. We should probably test that out. So it says, capture crystal clear photos and boost the quality of your selfies. Plus, get more from your phone with the new Android 9 Pie OS, and simply do more with Moto experiences that make it easier to use. The new Moto E6. For big fun, it's a small price to pay. Sounds catchy. Personally, me, the design of the phone definitely looks very budget. Very budgety, But hey, let's look at some just features that pop out. Screen, like I said, it's a 5.5-inch. So 5.5-inch, 13 megapixel rear camera. Wow, that's pretty exciting. 13 megapixels. The Moto E5, I think, had like an 8 or something like that. Talk time is 29 hours, so I'm guessing it's gonna be a pretty decent big battery. Storage is only 16 gigabytes. That's probably gonna be the downfall of this. It's only 16 gigs of internal storage, but except for the price, you really can't, hate on the phone. Of course, Android 9.0. So definitely nice, big screen, big camera, or nice camera, and big battery. So let's keep going down for some key features they want to show us. Stretch your imagination. It says, bring your favorite movies, games, and websites to life on a wide screen. The Max Vision HD Plus display gives you maximum viewing thanks to an 18:9 aspect ratio. So it does have a stretched out screen, so that 18:9 aspect ratio, which everybody loves. So you scroll less and enjoy more with the 5.5-inch size. You'll love the fact that you can see so much and still hold the phone comfortably in one hand. That's true because I held the Note 10 Plus and that thing's huge, man. And big phones are getting bigger and bigger, and it just kind of, it's hard to hold really with one hand. Play all day. So here's the battery. Oh, okay, so specs on the battery says go all day and then some on a single charge. The 3,000 milliamp battery gives you up to 29 hours of power. Enough to watch 5 full-length movies back to back. Wow. Or play games nonstop for more than 8 hours. Really into music, you could listen to songs offline for 109 hours straight. Wow. They're really specific on this battery spec, so I'm guessing that's going to be their big selling points, this big battery. Motorola usually does have big battery. They usually have like a 4,000 or 5,000 milliamp battery, but 3,000 I would say it's definitely decent for the price. Let's look at the camera. It says focus on better photos with a fast focusing 13 megapixel camera. You won't miss a thing. Plus add a professional touch to your photos with features like spot color and portrait mode. Wow, so you can have portrait mode here. Very nice. Interact with the world around you. New ways thanks to Google Lens. Wow, another big thing's gonna have Google Lens. That's pretty cool. I don't know if you guys use it, but I think it's okay. It's fun, It says and get great results even in low light with big 1.12 pixels along with a large f2.0 aperture. So not bad. We're gonna have to test that camera out, But finally, let's get into some of the specs. So this is going to be the specs of it. So like I said, battery is a 3,000 milliamp battery. I would say it's decent. I wish it was a little bit bigger, but like I said, for this price point, you're not going to get much more than 3,000. Some phones will pull like 2,500 milliamp, but that's not good anymore. I would say 3,000. I would say it's the minimum you want to get on a budget device. Talk time up to 29 hours. Well, so what's cool about this is yes, it has 30,000 milliamp battery. It's saying here that the battery is removable, guys. A lot of phones these days, you cannot remove the battery, so that's pretty cool. So now we're getting into the processor and all that stuff. So it's a 2 gigabytes of RAM, so a little low, but like I said, for the price, can't complain too much. 16 gigs of ROM or internal storage. I'm guessing you're going to be able to use maybe 9.5 after the operating system uses most of it. Supports up for external micro SD card up to 256 gigabytes. That's pretty good. The processor is Qualcomm Snapdragon octa-core processor. Doesn't say what processor, but I'm guessing it's going to be a 4 series Snapdragon. It's definitely not going to be 6 series for the price. Camera, it's going to be a 13 megapixel rear facing camera and 5 megapixel front facing camera with portrait mode. It's going to be cool. I kind of want to test that. I don't see how well that looks. So display doesn't say here either, but it's saying it's a 5.5 Max Vision HD Plus display. Like I said, from my experience with these HD display phones and budget, it's going to be a 720 display. Dimensions, of course, is there. Connectivity, let's see. Wow, so that's another bonus here too. So it's Wi-Fi enabled, Bluetooth 4.2, so not 5.0, but here's a real cool thing. It's a USB Type-C, guys. So no more micro. What was it? The G7 and the Moto E5 Play both have micro, so it's nice to see this phone is going to a Type-C. 3.5mm headphone jack, so that's going to be still cool with stereo output. So that's going to be something that's very cool. So after seeing all these specs, like I said, you can get it for $80, guys. And sometimes you can even get it on sale, and you might be asking, how will I know when these phones are on sale? Well, let's get into our sponsor, guys. So Honey is a free web browser extension that will find you the best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Amazon, Boost Mobile, Best Buy, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/dragonic to save even more. It's a free web browser extension for Google Chrome, guys. You add that on there, and it'll find you the best promo codes out there. So as you can see, you also get rewards and all that stuff. And if they do have a promo code, you will be able to actually save more and get some money back and all that cool stuff. So if there's a promo code on here, Honey will let you know that Boost Mobile has a 20% off discount, and it'll automatically apply it when you're shopping and going to check out. So get it, will be in the description below. It's free, guys. And when you make your first purchase after you use my link and download it, I will get a small commission. Will help the channel. Hopefully I'll get enough to get this phone and unbox it. So like I said, pretty cool. My last question to you guys is, do you want me to go ahead and get this phone? It's a little budgety, so sometimes some people don't even want to see this phone, but let me know if you want me to unbox this phone. So if you want me to buy it, unbox it, and maybe do some camera reviews and gaming reviews on it, let me know. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and let me know. You can now as well support the channel by hitting that subscribe button and join button as well. So all that will be in the description below. Thank you.